Dear children, in this video we are going to discuss refraction of light at plane surfaces. In earlier classes you learned about reflection. Reflection is bouncing back of light from any polished surface. So what is refraction? Refraction is a phenomenon which takes place at the interface of two media. For example, if suppose light is traveling from one medium to another medium, then it bends away or towards the normal which is drawn to the interface of the two media. What is interface? Here we have to know about some of the terms which we use frequently in this topic. Those are: first, interface. Interface is nothing but a plane surface which divides the two media. Maybe that is rarer medium and denser medium. And next, incident ray or ray of incidence. Incident ray, the ray which touches the interface is known as incident ray. Refracted ray. Refracted ray is a ray which moves away from the interface. Next, normal. Normal is a perpendicular line drawn to the interface of the two media. Here once again I am repeating the same terms. First one is interface. Interface is nothing but the plane surface which separates two media. Next, incident ray. Incident ray is the light ray which touches to the interface. Next, refracted ray. Refracted ray is nothing but the light ray which comes out from the interface. Now, here two more terms, that is angle of incident or incident angle. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence or incident angle. Similarly, angle of refraction. Angle of refraction or refracted angle is nothing but angle of incident is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. What I told you that normal is a perpendicular drawn to the interface. So angle between incident ray and normal is angle of incidence or incident angle. And angle between refracted ray and the normal is angle of refraction or refracted angle. So angle of incidence is generally represented by I and angle of refraction is generally represented by R. Now, why the refraction takes place? Because when the light ray is moving from one medium to another medium, the speed of the light changes. Because of this change in the speed, it moves away or towards the normal when the incident ray, that is the light ray, passes from one medium to another medium. So when the refracted ray moves towards the normal and away from the normal, let us discuss. Here now I am going to show you when will the light ray or the light ray which moves from one medium to another medium move towards the normal, and then it will move away from the normal. First case, suppose if the light ray, that is incident ray, is moving from rarer medium to denser medium, then the light ray moves towards the normal, that is it bends towards the normal. For example, if this medium is rarer medium, if you consider this medium as denser medium, when the light ray is moving from rarer medium to denser medium, it moves towards the normal. That means in this case, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. This is the first case. Second case, that is the opposite case. That means when the light ray is moving from denser medium to rarer medium, rarer medium, then the light ray moves away from the normal. In this case, angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. Here, in first case, light ray is moving from rarer medium to denser medium. In this case, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. And in second case, the light ray is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. In this case, angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. So these are the two cases when the light ray is moving from one medium to another medium in the case of refraction. Thank you.